Hello everyone, my name is Srinath and today I'm going to talk about my project which is enhancing sales performance through Tableau dashboard. Firstly, we will begin with the problem statement. Uh, Improving sales success is important for growth and staying competitive in today's business world. And the technology has given businesses powerful tools such as Tableau Sales Success Display for managing a sales team from afar. And the problem is that stores don't have this kind of tool. And a lot of businesses don't have a single place to look at important sales information. And this limitation makes it harder for the business to track sales success and find the best products and sellers to study the customer behavior. And guess what? The sales will happen in the future. And without the Tableau sales success report, these businesses have a hard time. Since there isn't a single platform, that it's hard for the sales team to keep a track of sales growth, meet goals, and understand the whole sales process from lead to conversion. This is the project schedule. The proposed solution addresses these objectives to provide firms a revolutionary tool for improving sales performance and growing in the competitive retail industry, and to effectively complete critical project stages, and the 8-week timeline is established. The first weeks are spent designing and collecting data for a strong dashboard prototype, and users test and provide feedback to verify the product meets expectations. And the second part of the timetable refines, deploys, and trains to provide a smooth transition to the Tableau sales performance dashboard. And this timetable balances thoroughness and the project speed. Here comes the data description. The project uses data graphics to help businesses make more money. Tableau, a cutting-edge business intelligence and analytics tool, is used in this strategy attempt to make a dynamic and smart screens. And these sales-specific tools give decision makers that information they can use, and support data-driven projects, and boost the speed and performance of the sales staff. And the idea behind this project is that is easy to read and looks good could completely change the way of sales are done. And the main goals are to get a full and real-time picture of the sales scene and to make it easier to watch and track sales data. And the project uses Tableau's powerful display that tools to create an easy to use interface for important sales data. And this lets everyone involved make smart decisions quickly and correctly. And the Tableau screen is meant to make sales analytics easier by combining different types of data into a dynamic image. And the salespeople and bosses will have a screen that is easy on the eyes and makes KPIs easier to understand. And this includes sales revenue, conversion rates, and the cost of getting a new customer, and the other important signs of sales health. And with the help of dynamic and unique components, the Tableau graphs will let users drill down into specific time periods and the product groups or geographic places. And this level of information is needed to see patterns, trends, and chances to make things better. And the sales directors may look at how sales are going every 3 months, the results of marketing effort, or how well a collection of products is doing. Now let's talk about the ethics of information systems. There may be many benefits of using a Tableau sales success report in retail, but it's important to think about the risks and social issues that come with it. And when collecting and analyzing sales data, there are ethics concerns about privacy and data safety. As required by GDPR or CCPA, retailers must collect and keep customer data in a way that it is responsible with permission and follows the rules. And to protect privacy while giving useful information, Tableau and other data analysis tools should put a lot of focus on anonymization and aggregation. And if there is a bias in the way that the data is analyzed, workers or customers might not be treated fairly. And if the screen only shows the best performing sellers and doesn't take into account outside factors or possible flaws in the data collection, and it could lead to unrealistic expectations or wrongly credit certain people. And the retailers need to set up checks and balances to make sure the information on the screen is correct, fair, and free of bias. And another ethical problem is the openness and responsibility of decision making. And the retailers should be open about how they gather, analyze, and use customer data. And the customers and workers should know how the Tableau screen works with their data. And there should be always a ways to fix problems with how to use or understand panel insights. Adopting a Tableau sales success story comes with a number of business risks, and it is dangerous to rely too much on technology without human supervision. And this is the data flow diagram. A data flow diagram is used to map data across the system after identifying data sources. And this graphic shows data gathering, analysis, and reporting. And to guarantee consistency and accuracy, raw data which is transformed and integrated from various sources. And after the integration, the Tableau is used for in-depth analysis. And the insights we get from the exploratory data analysis, statistical modeling, and predictive analytics from our inform our decisions. And the combined information with sales, customer, market, and other factors which is used in our data analysis part. And this information produces a number of results that improve sales success. KPIs like sales income, conversion rates, and the cost of getting a new client give everyone involved a full picture of how well sales are going. And do optimization with the information about the best sellers, products, areas, and the types of customer. And the strategic marketing and customer interaction choices are based on market trends and research of how people act. And our production system will be improved to make it work better, be more flexible, and handle more users. And the real-time data sharing will let decision makers get quick updates on sales, success measures, and keep an eye on things. And the predictive models and finding outliers will be possible with advanced analytics, such as machine learning techniques. And improving scalability will slow down the growth of data, and tight security measures will keep important data safe. Enhancing the sales performance. Tableau, a premier business intelligence platform with an accessible interface, extensive analytical capabilities, and dynamic visualization features, and is preferred choice for dashboard deployment. And the sales teams can easily engage with the data and get meaningful insights using Tableau's drag and drop interface and capability. And furthermore, the Tableau's board library of visualization choices enables for the building of customized dashboard to meet unique business needs and making crucial indicators and KPIs visually appealing and simple to grasp. And the screen also looks at the categories of customers, how they buy things, and how satisfied they are, get a better idea of what customers want. And this information helps the marketing and sales teams tailor their plans and messages to specific groups of people, which makes customers more interested and loyal. And the database and Tableau screen tool help businesses keep an eye on and improve their sales success. And by giving them farms access, useful insights, and easy to use graphic tools, the solution helps them make decisions based on the data and boost sales efficiency and grow in a way that it is sustainable in today's competitive real market. Analysis results. With the Tableau Sales Success Monitor, retailers may be able to boost their sales, and companies can make better strategy decisions and be more successful by looking at sales data and making KPIs look like income trends, product performance, and customer behavior more visible. And one great thing about Tableau interface is that it can bring together data from a different source into a single easy to use tool. And the companies can learn more about their sales environment by putting together financial data, personal information about customers, and success measures for salespeople. And stakeholders may be able to better look at the sales patterns, trends, and the growth possibilities with a single method. And Tableau's advanced visualization tools let you make dynamic live graphs and make it easier to understand complex data. And with drag and drop tools and customizable display options, sales teams can easily find trends and look at performance and make smart decisions. And the real-time data updates from Tableau let parties respond quickly to changes in the market. This is the graphical representation or the analysis results which I've gotten from my project. Conclusion: the Tableau Sales Success Tool could change how stores sell things and help businesses grow. And using data representation and analytics, these tools give businesses useful information about how their sales are going, and how customers act, and how the market is changing. And by combining data from different sources into a single easy to use screen, the sales teams and decision makers can make smart choices quickly and without much trouble. And the Tableau displays are very flexible, and they can show a number of makers and KPIs and can be made to fit the needs of each business. And by tracking things like sales revenue, product performance, and customer satisfaction, Tableau grasps a help of people who have stake in the business sees patterns, trends, and growth opportunities. And the real-time updates in the Tableau make it easy for sales teams to quickly adjust to changes in the market and in what customers want. These are the references which I have used for making my project. Thank you.